Come on, son, fucking give it some power, you woman.
Right, go,
Good now, he's got good. Go, go, go! Oh! It's that fucking back wheel, isn't it? Careful on that fucking bar. You're nearly there. Come this way, maybe. Come this way. You can fall off there. Just not quite have it again. Go that way again. That way. You'll get you that way.
the question is it long wheelbase that have the trouble? We'll find out.
That's it, yeah. Just a bit of help there. What, son? Good effort, that. Pull the front over. That way on.
Bad line, right? Straight off. That rock's moved, hasn't it? It sounds
Back down.
good video, this, yeah.
He don't give a shit, does he? He's the fucking man.
No, I don't mean when he's on it.
Whoa! Needs a bit of support for 1 minute.
And that is a bad situation. Scares the fuck out of me. It's going sideways like that.
Can we get her up? You got one?
No, yeah.
We all four. We'll get him over that step he can't get over.
He's got no towing iron front now, is it?
Look back up, he goes to next gear. Hey, whoa, whoa, it's not that wheel, that's what you were doing. It's not really that one, but go on, son! Like a video, yeah. More speed, yeah, but
Rocks.
like it went into neutral. Do you know what I mean? Yeah. He did use them then though, didn't he? Did make good use of them. I don't think he's going to get up there.
Ooh. That's a pant wetting moment. That rock's moved, hasn't it? That rock's moved. Matt, put that rock back.
Which one?
That rock that's in the middle.
I can't take videos.
Go on, son!